Top chefs exude the most unbreakable concentration of any profession, thus achieving complete harmony in the workings of the kitchen while preparing their banquets.
Hey, what you doing? I'm cooking. Yeah. But I'm telling you, I'm on fire. I am on fire. I am burning. I'm burnt. No. I'm burnt. Oh, I gotta go back.
Oh, not this chef. Coming soon to a kitchen or comedy club or TV set near you.